Hello, this is Miss Powell. We are going to look at real-world addition problems. Our focus is I can solve real-world problems involving addition and subtraction, but it's just going to be addition as of right now. So let's look at the problem. Lucas has 457 Christmas ornaments in a red tub. He also has 372 Christmas ornaments in a blue tub. So how many Christmas ornaments does he have in all? I'm not just going to read the question once, I'm going to read it again. So Lucas has 457 Christmas ornaments in a red tub. He also has 372 Christmas ornaments in a blue tub. How many Christmas ornaments does he have in all? So after reading it a second time, I will circle the numbers. Here's my first number, here's my second number. And then underline the label. So anything that I think is going to be important. So how many Christmas ornaments does he have in all? So that's going to tell me that I'm going to be adding. Now that I have underlined the numbers, I will add the two numbers together. You can either use tall man strategy or the place value strategy. I'm going to use the tall man strategy. With tall man, first you add the ones, so 7 plus 2, 9. Then the tens, so 5 plus 7, 12. Carry my 1. Then the hundredths. A common mistake that I could possibly see is that I could forget to carry or when I regroup.